How's it going, everyone? Kieran Crabtree here, and welcome to the Dinosaur Discovery. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at a brand new figure and species for the Mattel Jurassic World Primal Attack toy line, and that is the Sound Strike Mujungasaurus. Now, I'm really excited about this figure. I've been really looking forward to it ever since the promotional images came out, and has just been a figure that a lot of Jurassic World fans and collectors alike have been really looking forward to, and have just been wanting to add this figure to their collection. Now, unfortunately, it has been a little bit hard to find, and it hasn't really shown up in that many stores in America, but luckily I stopped by my local Target today, and I was able to acquire this fantastic figure. So, yeah guys, enough chit chat, let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging, because I'm absolutely dying to get this figure out of the box. So, taking a look up here, we have the Jurassic World logo, the Primal Attack logo, it says Sound Strike Mujungasaurus, and we have a picture of the Mujungasaurus thrashing its head, 4+, then we have a picture of Owen in blue, then we have the Mattel logo right here, and then behind the Mujungasaurus itself, we have this very cool image of a sunset and a cage, kind of reminds me of Jurassic World Evolution. Then on the very back of the box, it says thrashing action. Then we have a really cool image of the Mujungasaurus figure, and even some information about the Jurassic World Facts app. And then right here, we have some of the other Sound Strike figures that you can collect, the Irritator and the Parasaurolophus, which I will be reviewing next on the channel. And yep, that's pretty much it with the very back of the box. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get this figure out. So pulling out my trusty scissors, we will just snip right here and right there, if I can, and the figure should pop out just like that. So let's go ahead and get rid of the box right there. Now, taking a look at the Mujungasaurus figure out of the box, I have to say that this has probably got to be the best Sound Strike figure in the whole entire Primal Attack toy line. It just looks absolutely fantastic. I mean, look at that head sculpt. It definitely looks pretty accurate to the Mujungasaurus in real life. I'm not really a huge fan of the big spikes underneath its tail, but I mean, it's nothing horrible or anything. I definitely would have liked the toe claws and the hand claws to have been painted. The color scheme looks pretty cool. It is a bit wacky, but I definitely like it. Really like the dark green on this figure, and there's some yellow and some purples. Take a look at the very inside of the mouth. It has a pink tongue, if we can let the camera focus. And each one of its teeth are painted yellow. If we can, there we go. As you can see, looks very good. I gotta say the sculpt on this guy just looks super cool. It has a bunch of bumps and osteoderms going down its back. The sculpt on this guy is just absolutely amazing. Here is its sound box, and for those of you who are interested, here is the Jurassic World Facts app scan code, and here's the Jurassic World official mark. For articulation, there is articulation in the jaw, obviously, and the arms can go up and down. They can even go in and out, and I mean, look how tiny these arms are. They are just so small. And the legs, they can also move, and they can even go in and out, which I find is pretty cool. And of course, the tail does have articulation, and the neck, but that is connected to the action feature, which we will try right here. See, it makes all sorts of cool sound effects. You just shake its head around. Definitely really like that action feature. I would have liked a button right here to make the jaw open and close, but I mean, it's nothing bad. I still like it. You can make it thrash its head around and kind of eat something. It's definitely a really cool action feature, and I really like it. So, overall, this is a really cool Mujungasaurus figure. I think the sculpt on this guy just looks absolutely incredible. Love all the paint apps. Love how it has those little spikes underneath its neck. Again, not that much of a fan of the spikes underneath the tail, but I mean, it's nothing bad or anything. And yeah, so for a rating, I'm gonna have to give this figure a 8 out of 10 stars. Would have liked there to have been a little bit more paint going down its back and onto its tail, and obviously it would have been cool if the toe claws and the hand claws were painted. So, yeah guys, this has been my review of the Jurassic World Sound Strike Mujungasaurus. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this figure, and also comment down below what Primal Attack figure you want me to take a look at next. Well, alright, this has been the Dinosaur Discovery. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, everyone.